English to Spanish, go equals.
Ir.
Funny, fast verb guide. Welcome.
Vamos.
Hey you, welcome. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for extra practice and freebies. Ready to laugh and learn? Quick heads up. Today you'll get the Spanish for go equals.
Ir.
And super useful forms you'll actually say. Buckle up, your brain is about to
Ir.
places. Your goal today. Your mission. Nail the essentials fast and have fun doing it. You've got this. Go.
Ir.
I go.
Yo voy.
He goes.
Él va.
She goes.
Ella va.
We go.
Vamos.
You, plural, go.
Vosotros vais.
They go.
Ellos van.
It goes, be okay.
Estar bien.
As in, it'll be okay. Form jam. Move with the beat. Say it out loud with me, tiny steps, big memory. March in place. Infinitive, to go.
Ir.
I go.
Yo voy.
He goes.
Él va.
She goes.
Ella va.
We go.
Vamos.
You, plural, go.
Vosotros vais.
They go.
Ellos van.
Lifesaver mood check. Be okay.
Estar bien.
Call and response groove. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van, but today we spotlight.
Yo voy. Él va. Ella va. Vamos. Vosotros vais. Ellos van.
Mini dialogues on the move. Listen, echo, smile. Short, real, and a little silly. A. Ready? We go now. B. Yes.
Vamos.
Ahora. A. He goes by bus. B. C.
Él va.
En autobus. A. She goes home. B.
Ella va.
A casa. A. Where do they go? B.
Ellos van.
Al park. Guide. You, plural, go first. Group. Entendido.
Vosotros vais.
Primero. A. I want to go. B. Perfecto.
Quiero ir.
A. Is it going to be okay? B. C.
Va a estar bien.
Culture bite. The power of.
Vamos.
At soccer games you'll hear one word a lot.
Vamos.
It means, let's go. Fans chant.
Vamos.
To push the team forward, instant energy. Spain tip. Addressing friends as a group? Say, you, plural, go, with.
Vosotros vais.
In much of Latin America, people say.
Ustedes van.
But today your target is.
Vosotros vais.
When plans change, breathe.
Estar bien.
It'll be okay. Your Spanish journey? Definitely.
Estar bien.
Call and response drills. I'll say it in English, you fire back in Spanish, out loud. Go for clean, quick echoes. I go.
Yo voy.
He goes.
Él va.
She goes.
Ella va.
We go.
Vamos.
You, plural, go.
Vosotros vais.
They go.
Ellos van.
To go, infinitive.
Ir.
be okay.
Estar bien.
Bonus sentence. We go now, and everything will be okay.
Vamos.
Ahora y todo.
Va a estar bien.
Quick quiz time. Answer fast, then I reveal it. No stress, it'll.
Estar bien.
Q1. Spanish for go, infinitive. A.
Ir.
Q2. I go. A.
Yo voy.
Q3. They go. A.
Ellos van.
Q4. You, plural, go, Spain. A.
Vosotros vais.
Q5. The calming phrase, be okay. A.
Estar bien.
Lightning. He goes, she goes, we go.
Él va.
Slash.
Ella va.
Slash.
Vamos.
Speed challenge. Deep breath. Say them clearly in one flow. Ready, set, go.
Ir. Yo voy. Él va. Ella va. Vamos. Vosotros vais. Ellos van. Estar bien.
Nice. If your tongue tied a knot, smile and run it again. Wrap up and good vibes. You did great, seriously. Keep it moving and it'll all.
Estar bien.
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Practice your new superpowers today. Go.
Ir.
I go.
Yo voy.
He goes.
Él va.
She goes.
Ella va.
We go.
Vamos.
You, plural, go.
Vosotros vais.
They go.
Ellos van.
And, be okay.
Estar bien.
Keep going.
Vamos.